Alright guys, this is a quick look and review of the Amazon Basics silver weatherproof car cover. It's 150D Oxford, and the one I have is for sedans up to 180 inches. Just to give you an idea, underneath this cover is a 2000 Toyota Corolla. So this is marine grade 150D polyester Oxford. It's silvery, so it's going to reflect UV rays to prevent sun damage. It's got elastic in the front and the rear that sort of hug around the front and the rear of the car. It's got a couple strips of reflective flashing on it, and it has little cutouts for the side view mirrors. It also has, which I'm showing here, is a zippered portion on the driver's side door, so you can get in and out of the vehicle while the cover is still on, which is a nice touch. I'll show you real quick too. Underneath there are 3 tensioning straps. So you have one strap in the front, one in the middle, and then one on the rear. And so you have a male and female buckle on each side that you buckle in, and then you have a nylon pull, which you can tighten from both sides. So that's going to cinch up the cover around the car. I just had some really windy days here where I'm at, and the cover performed perfectly. I just had some ice and snow, and it's out in the sun, and so far it's been a really great, affordable cover. These are like $33. I'll put the link down below, and I'll pin it in a comment for you to check out. You want to make sure you measure your car lengthwise from front to back, and then choose the appropriate size. They have 4 sizes, up to 170 inches, up to 180 inches, which is what I have, up to 190 inches, and up to 200 inches. So measure from front to back and estimate which size you need. Also shown here really quickly is a bag that I have tucked up under the license plate that is actually attached and sewn into the cover. That makes it really easy to store, to fold back up and then put in that zippered bag, so then you can store the cover. It's a great investment. $33, definitely worth it. I hope this gives you a good look. Check out the link, and I appreciate you watching. Happy New Year. See ya.